Freshman Day 2022.
My name is Leilani, and I'm excited to do sports during school.
My name is Ashley Yannick, and I'm excited for a new year, new students, and some new courses.
My name is Kayleon, and I'm excited about playing sports.
My name is Sanaya Peterson. I am a junior, and I'm excited to teach the freshmen all sorts of new things.
I'm excited about. There are so many things that I'm excited about. I'm excited about meeting a new crop of students for my acting classes. My technical theater classes as well, and I am really, really excited to usher in those new students as the new generation or the next generation of the Lights Up Drama Club.
I'm really excited because I'm finally going to be starting high school.